Hey, it's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and what I've got is a commercial magic and our soap-free product. And what we do with the soap-free product is that we add a little bit of the Vacaway's detonator to our, which is basically all peroxide, and we add a little bit of that to our soap-free just to give it a bit of a boost with some oxy properties and, you know, dealing with urine and that sort of stuff and sterilization and all that good stuff. Or the commercial magic is more of your high-end, or I'm sorry, your high pH cleaning solution that you would like use on. It's really good on polyester, you know, trashed out polyester and other commercial carpet cleaning, where you're dealing with cleaning recycled plastic bottles. I mean, that's more or less what commercial carpet cleaning is, just plastic. So, with that in mind, what I do is I pretty much reserve this for nasty traffic areas, and then when you're dealing with, you know, foot traffic in front of couches and beds, those are like the main three go-to areas that I use. Will use the commercial magic for. So what I'll do is I'll make up a couple gallons of it just to have it on hand and ready to go throughout the rest of the day, and use it sparingly as needed. And then the soap-free Master Blend product with the boost with the peroxide in there, we pretty much use as a staple for everything else. So yeah, that's the combo we're going with today until we research some other products and find a replacement for what we're currently doing. But so far, and what I have tested so far, this yields some of the best results. Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and we've got ourselves one room that we're cleaning up here today of carpeting. It does have some dog urine and other things in it, so that's where our sodium carbonate and peroxide come in handy as far as sterilizing all the urine and getting that nasty stuff out of there, biological matter and whatnot. So, with a three-phase cleaning, what we do is we go ahead and we begin with a very good vacuum with our Kirby. We go through, when you have the adjustment set properly on it, it does uplift the carpet slightly and vibrates it and bounces all that debris out of the carpet. So that, in my opinion, and years of experience, is crucial, you know, to get that done. So, and also we got this couch that we're going to be cleaning up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to vacuum, and then we're going to go ahead and clean the couch so that all the overspray of the cleaners used on the couch, which we're going to be using a similar, well, actually we're going to be using the same sodium carbonate cleaning solution because it is soap free, and it gets in there and it really does loosen up all the dirt and debris and grease and all that. So, body oils. Then we'll extract it. We'll kind of push it out of the way. Well, I'm sorry, I'll go back a little bit. We'll probably clean up around the couch as much as we can as far as extracting and everything, and then we will move the couch to wherever we can and then clean the rest of the areas. So, and that way we're just keeping our overspray from the couch on the carpeting, and we're getting it all cleaned up, so we're not leaving any of our cleaning product on the floor. Alright, so the process for cleaning furniture, upholstery, is the same as what we do for the carpets. We take our three-stage approach. We vacuum beforehand, which we've already done, and then we also will hook up the hose of the truck, and we'll pick up all those crumbs and everything as we're going through. So what we do is we put our pre-spray down. Sodium carbonate is what we're using, and it's doing a very excellent job at brightening the white and getting any crusties and nasties off of the carpet as well. Or I'm sorry, off the upholstery. So we spray it down lightly, and then we take our brush, and this is kind of a softer brush than what we've been using in the past, and it works really good with just getting all that sodium carbonate worked into the fibers just to cause that soil suspension to occur. And then we go back with our upholstery tool when we're done, and we give it a quick extract just to kind of put the icing on the cake. Technically, with the sodium carbonate, it is soap-free. You don't have to extract it, but we go ahead and we extract it anyways because I feel that the hybrid cleaning approach is superior to any other carpet cleaning, and that's me in my opinion. Alright, the silver sectional is complete. It looks very beautiful. Very back to its basic color again, white. But it was more or less that. Now this microfiber material, depending on how it's brushed, will cast shadows. So you can see some areas where we extracted look a little bit kind of goofy because we had to go in different directions just to make up for the shape of the cushions back there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is I'm going to kind of brush out the visible areas right now with that brush just to kind of give it a nice more even tone, going across there so that it reflects light a little bit nicer, a little bit more pleasing to the eyes. Alright, so we went ahead and we treated this area pretty good, and you can see where there are visible urine stains. I went ahead and I hit it up pretty heavy in those spots just so that it will saturate down to the padding. And then we agitated using our Grande Groom to get this all cleaned up. Now we're going to let this dwell about 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to extract this area pretty heavily, because this is the main run of where the dog reigns his domain. And then we'll go ahead and push the furniture back a little bit towards the wall, and then clean the other place, the room here, normally with a good application of free spray, but not quite as heavily as we did in the back corner over there. Alright, so the noise of that truck is actually pretty loud. So what I went ahead and did, since we're wanting to kind of give this a good flush, I put the truck up to about 450 psi or so, and the water is climbing to about 220, 230, and then we'll go ahead and give this a nice rinse.